Yes.
It's a known fact that fresh fruit and vegetables are supposed to be more healthy. But I find when I have salad, things like that, my digestive system doesn't seem to like it.
Excellent, excellent comment. This is what I want to say now. See, fruits, good. Vegetables, good. Salad, good. But if you eat it in the raw way,
Yeah.
it's cold.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I can see from your side, you see, wherever they slap on you, it's everywhere.
Because I've been eating fruit and salad a
Yeah.
long time. Thinking it's
See, this is
healthy.
another typical
And I
case.
have a digestive problem. I was in hospital in November and last year. I nearly didn't make it.
You hit the nail on the head this time.
Yeah.
You now know the problem. Not only you. So many people have been educated in that way. You eat raw food, raw food. It's only partially good for some of the people who have very strong energy inside. But for most of the people, all the diseases are caused by cold, not by hot.
So now when I make a smoothie, like with banana or mango in the morning, I add, with some nuts and things like that, I add warm water.
See, that's
And it's better. I've been
It's
doing
better,
it for quite
okay.
some time. Instead of the cold milk or cold water, I add warm.
good, very good
No, it
change.
feels better.
Yeah, very good change. It's okay to eat vegetables, salad, but not take it as the main course. Otherwise, people will twist my idea, say, oh, you cannot eat this. No, you can eat it. Of course you can eat it. But don't take it as the main food.
I was.